Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss about COCOMO model. COCOMO stands for Cost Constructive Model. COCOMO model was proposed by Boham in 1981. COCOMO is the best known and most thoroughly documented of all software cost estimation models. This model estimates the total effort in terms of person months of the technical project staff. COCOMO is defined in terms of three different models. First, basic model, second, intermediate model, third, complete model. Now see the first one, basic model. A basic model is a single value model that compute software development cost as a function of estimation of lines of code. Second, intermediate model. Intermediate model computes development cost and effort as a function of program size and a set of cost drivers. Third, complete model. This model computes development effort and cost which incorporate all the characteristics of intermediate level with assessment of cost implication of each step of development like analysis, design, testing, etc. These three models may be applied in three classes of software project as given below. First, organic mode. An organic mode is a small size project, also a simple software project where development learn has good experience of the application. Second, semi-detached mode. The semi-detached mode and intermediate size project, it is little complex as compared to the organic mode project in terms of size, and also project is based on rigid and semi-rigid requirements. Third, embedded mode. An embedded mode is a large size project, and this project developed under hardware, software and operational constraint. For example, air traffic control system. Now, see the basic model and some equations of the basic model. Basic COCOMO model is good for quick, early, rough order of magnitude estimates of software cost. Basic COCOMO model gives an approximate estimate of the project parameters. Here, some basic COCOMO equations. First, effort. The formula for calculating effort is E is equals to A1 into K log raised to A2 PM, where E is effort expressed in person month, that is PM. A1 and A2 are constant of software products. K log is estimated size of software product. These are the constant of value for A1 and A2 for effort. For each mode, the constant value of A1 and A2 is different. The formula for calculating the project duration or development time is T is equals to B1 into effort raised to B2 months, where T is estimated time to develop the software expressed in months. B1 and B2 are constants of software products. Effort is total effort required to develop the software product. These are the constant value for the B1 and B2 for development time. For each mode, the constant value of B1 and B2 is different. The formula for calculating the average staff size is SS is equals to effort divided by development time. The formula for calculating the productivity is P is equals to size divided by effort. Let us see one example of COCOMO model. Use COCOMO model to calculate first effort, second development time, third average staff size, fourth productivity. If estimated size of product is 400 KLOC using embedded mode. Solution is given data is size is equals to 400 KLOC, mode is equals to embedded mode. First, calculate effort. So, for calculating the effort, the formula is E is equals to A1 into K log raised to A2 PM. By solving this equation, effort is equals to 4773 pm. Second, development time. The formula for calculating the development time T is equals to B1 into effort raised to B2 months. For solving this equation, development time is equals to 38 months. Third, average staff size. The formula for calculating the average staff size is equals to effort divided by development time. So, solving this equation, average staff size is equals to 126 staff. Fourth, productivity. The formula for calculating the productivity is size divided by effort. So, size is 400 klog divided by effort is 4773. Here we convert klog into the log, and solving this equation, the productivity P is equals to 84 log PM. Thank you.